We'll guide you through how to create desktop shortcuts to websites. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. These are really convenient because if there's a site you often visit, for example, a social media, your bank, or wherever, you can go and add it as a shortcut. Then you can simply go and double click on it and get taken straight there. You don't need to go and open up your web browser, search for it, and then go and find the right page. You can add it directly to the page you want to be on. It's really convenient and saves so much time. There are some different ways you can go about it, so make sure it is full video so you understand them. So to go and get started with this, you can go and open up a web browser of your choice. For this first way, you can do it in any web browser. The second way is going to be for Google Chrome, and the second way I do prefer, but I want to go and keep it broad to go and start with. So go and open it up like so, and what we can then do is we want to go and head to the web page or website we want to do it for. So for me, I actually want to go and do it for a specific YouTube channel, aka GuideRealm. So to get started, we'll head to YouTube, come to YouTube at the top here. And then what we can do is we want to go to the web page. So in my case, the web page is GuideRealm. So I'll go and search for it at the top. We can then come to GuideRealm. So for this first way, which as I said, you can do in any browser, you can go and make the browser smaller by clicking, holding and dragging at the top. Just go and position it over to the right. Then you want to go and click in the address bar at the top here. With that then highlighted, all you need to do is click, hold and drag, and you can then go and drop it onto your desktop. You'll go and see a little icon there. And as you can see, there it is. Now what you can do is you can go and click on it and you can go and rename it. Why I don't like this first method is because you don't get the desktop icon. You just get the sort of Chrome shortcut icon. When you double click on it, it'll go and open up. And if I go and do it like this as well, by the way, it'll go and just open up straight up as you can see. My preferred method of doing this, which you'll need to do in Chrome, is going to the top right and you can press the three dots, go down, find cast, save and share. And what you can do is find the option, create shortcut like so. Then you can go and choose what it's called. I've just GuideRealm, and then you can press create. Now, as you can see, if I look at my desktop, we'll then go and see it there. And it's got the YouTube icon, which I think looks way cooler. We can then double click on it and it opens up. That's it.